Today is the day we're moving the baby chicks outside. Forever. They've been living in here for the past couple of weeks since they were born, so it's time to go in the real world. Okay, so the big old pit lays here for Caco. Time to go for a walk. 6:30 in the morning. Beautiful time to be doing this. He is their forever home. Come outside. Chickens are too shy, so I'm just going to grab them out by force. And hopefully they all just come on out. Come on. Never had so much room in their lives. So these chickens are 4 weeks old. They no longer need heat. And is that a friggin' rooster? They said I want to get a rooster. They just don't know what to do with themselves. They've got so much space. There's lots of chickens looking at them. They have the automatic water here, which I just grab one and throw. So I just put its head in. It'll hopefully then know and teach the rest of them. Need to go get their feed now. Guys, I have your feed. Come over here. Yep. Just gonna try and just put his head in there, you know. Okay, maybe not. What I'm finding interesting is that these chickens have no idea like what the bucket is and they're not following it around, but these ones drive me nuts. So see you tomorrow, see how they settled in, and yeah. They survived their first night. I think they're all here. Can't tell, they're starving. I know where their food is, so let's go. It's so weird that there's no chickens in here anymore. I had like 50 in here a couple of weeks ago, and now they're all gone. Okay, so there's no dead ones that I can see anyway, and I'm pretty sure they're all there. You can count 18. Yeah, no, they haven't laid any eggs yet, but as you can see, the closest one here, that one there, is a rooster. You can tell by its stance and its comb on its head. I'm really hoping he's the only rooster we have, because I paid for 12 hens, not 11 hens. While I'm thinking of it, this is a Lavender Aracauna. As you can see, he's got a little bit of a bump on his chest. All that means is she's been eating, and that's just a good thing. That's a very handy tip I wish I knew. Anyway, they've definitely survived their first night, and they're thriving. They know where the food and water is, so that's very good. Okay, so it's night time. Just trying to see where they all are. Oh, fucking rats everywhere. As I suspected, they're all just chilling out here. Look how cute that is. It's the second morning of the chickens being out. They really seem to like me now. Probably because I got food. I'm just going to go feed them really quick. Try not to step on anyone. Okay. Oh, they're really hungry. That's going to be gone in no time. Nice. Well, I hope you learned something and you know what to do for when you move your chickens out. Smash like, subscribe. See you next week.